I can't code. I've never shipped a real program in my life. But right now, a team of AI agents runs my company. They research, they write, they ship content, and they even stop each other from making mistakes. I'm not the engineer. I'm the operator. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Here's my situation. I have a full-time job. I have a newborn at home. And I'm trying to run side projects that would normally take an entire team. Everyone says, just use AI. But there is a huge gap between asking a chatbot a question and having AI actually run your operations while you sleep. One is a toy. The other is a company. This channel is about crossing that gap, and I'm going to show you the real system, not slides. The mistake most people make is treating AI like a single assistant. I treat it like a company. There's a COO at the top. It doesn't do the work. It routes the work. Underneath it sit specialists: finance, strategy, content, engineering, and market research. When I hand over a task, the COO decides who handles it and in what order. It's the same way a real company works, except the staff are agents, and they run 24 hours a day. Let me make this concrete. Every morning, before I'm even awake, one of my agents sends me a briefing on my phone. Today's calendar, my open tasks, and what matters most, pulled from my real data, not a generic template. I didn't open an app. I didn't ask. It just runs, every day, on a schedule. That is the difference between a tool you use and a system that works for you. Now, the obvious fear. If AI is running things, what stops it from breaking something? That's the part nobody shows you. So I built guardrails, rules that physically block the agents from deleting files, overwriting my work, or running dangerous commands without my sign-off. The agents are powerful, but they operate inside a fence that I control. Autonomy without guardrails isn't a company. It's a liability. Here's what I want you to take away. You do not need to learn how to code to do this. You need to think like an operator. Your job isn't to write the work, it's to design the system, set the rules, and decide what good looks like. The agents do the rest. I'm the CEO and the COO. The AI is my staff. That shift, from I do the work to I run the system that does the work, is the whole game. This channel is the build log of that company. Going forward, I'll break down each part, how the agents are wired together, how I test new AI tools by dropping them into my real stack, and the failures, because there have been plenty. If you want to run your own company with agents instead of doing everything yourself, subscribe. I'm the operator. I'll see you in the next one.